Hi guys. Setting up my little birdie. Yes, guys. My little birdie. Oops. See the cage? I got a box that I put him in. Yes, guys. Got a box that I put him in. So I'm just taking my time. I put holes in it, but as Rasta says, you know, birds need more ventilation than it. So I got the guys downtown to get me a mesh for the top. So I'm gonna trim it up. I'm gonna cut off that, but I'm gonna trim it up first. So I got me my wired scissors, and I got me some binding wire. And this is gonna be the travel box. I'm gonna make the bird is already in there, so at least I don't have to try and catch him on my time, because I'm not really a good bird catcher. But since this bird flew in to stay with me, you know, I just choose to keep him. Because what you gonna do if somebody wants to stay with you? Why turn your back on him and throw him away? Keep him and take good care of him. The Lord will bless you. Don't it? The whole time, the same way I say how them always thieving my husbands. How comes them not thief my Rasta husband yet? And knowing how Jamaican people, when them ready, the slightest little thing them see lying around the place by themselves, them want thief it, them want take it. So I mean, I know maybe it's up to Rasta, maybe them a try thief him, but him trying to be, you know, faithful or committed to our so-called relationship, whether it be business relationship, friendship or platonic, whatever it is. But sweetie pies, it no matter, you know, a master heartbreak. Remember I said 2 times I got through it already, so it's not like I don't know how to handle heartbreak. So if I don't want to teeth him, and I can't teeth him and see if my heartbreak is really mastered. If I'm gonna carry on dramatic like how I carry on dramatic with me other 2 husbands when my heart broken up, when the girls them thief them from me, or other people thief them from me. I said, let her alone, she ain't no good. Why kill up yourself to stay with she? Make she be some other man problem. So thank God I'm God's problem, not no man problem. When people think say you're a man's problem, you're not a man's problem, you're God's problem. And if them don't like it, them can go bite it and go find somebody else for fast it. Because I never tell nobody say I am an easy walkover. I never told anybody I'm an easy walkover. I'm living life, I'm a go-getter. And that's why I'm making a kid. A travel kid for my bird. Normally my guys would be the ones helping me with this, but since I'm on my own, I live on my own, guys. I have to get versatile and creative in my creative arts, you know. Knowing when I was at school, I was very artsy. I was very artsy, guys. I did well in art and painting and art and craft and designing. And when I grew up, I just practice it all the time. My painting, my art, because it helps me to relax. And this is like another relaxing activity. Some people might say it's work. I'd say it helps to clear my mind from all the foolishness and foolish people who comes with some nonsense sometimes to hot up your head and nag you about. Sometimes you're like, hey, go get a life. Go get a life now. But this is me. I come home from work. And yes, guys, we don't waste time. That's the family I was brought up into, where my mom always have something for her kids to do constructively. And that's what she focuses on. Find something constructive to do, girls and boys, so you don't waste your time doing unnecessary things and then complain how you waste your whole day and not get nothing productive out of it done. So this is why our family, or my family, is like how it is. We're very chaotic and we're very busy, and we don't like waste time. I called my son today. This month is his birthday. And I called my son today, and the way how he was so busy, boy hung up in my ears, he didn't have the time to talk to me. So I called my mother, what is going on? Eh? Is he alright? Is he falling apart? Is he coping well? And she was like, well, you know your family already, always busy, and your son is busy, doing his thing. I'm like, but country's supposed to be more relaxing than Kingston. Kingston is a busy, crazy time when we all malfunction. But when people down in the country, it's beach, rivers, and sunshine. Beach, rivers, and sunshine, and party. If you go to work, it's normally also even laid back. So, you know, I never see it as country as no, you know, stress, unless you have a stressful partner. Because me have a stressful partner like Rasta, who is always, no, you're not doing this right, no, you're not doing that right, you're doing it wrong, why are you doing it wrong? I'm like, is there a right way or wrong way to do things in life? Don't everybody have a way of doing their things? And then in the end product, you see who is functioning from who is not. Because according to some people, they so know it, and they're always doing it right, yet when push come to shove, them not have nothing for show for what them do right. I mean, it's like, hello, all who is doing it wrong. When you look at it, you see what them do, and even if it's wrong, it's still something being done. So them can say, look what I did. So sweetheart, look what I am doing. Whether it's right or wrong, it is being done. Right? So those who don't like it can bite it. This is fun. I'm building a bird cage, guys. But you see, all these little thingies has to be snipped off, so it doesn't have too much sharp edge. You know, when the guys get this for me, it was a bit rough. My poor hand. I was gonna put on some gloves, but knowing me, I'm not that aggressive in handling things. I am very gentle, so I'm not gonna, it's not gonna be rough. It's not gonna be too rough because I'm going about it gently. You see, it's just one snip at a time, one mesh at a time, depending on how they made this mesh, this bird cage mesh. I'm clipping off. You see? Well, guys, my whole day is over. When I go on the road, I'm looking for my parts, because I'm supposed to, you know, service my car and work on my car and stuff. By the time I beat out traffic and get to this and that and check off, can't find what I'm looking for, reach home, everywhere closed, everybody's heading home. So it's just gonna be another day for that challenge. But now I'm taking on the challenge of making my bird a new travel home. Till I get him to his real home where they have more bird kind, not just human kind. Woo. You see me do it? I'm snipping off the edges so it's not so too big. It's a freehand carpentry, you know. Freehand carpentry and eye judgment, right? Let's see. Line it up, line it up, line it up. Line it up into the row. That's where I'm going to be cutting it, into the row. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah, I'm in the right row. Oops. Let's fold here. Almost there. You see, guys, I can take time out even for the animals. So as this saying goes, we're not selfish. Up to the animals get a lot of my attention. Yeah, so maybe not humankind all the time, but animals are very important. That's why God made them. And say human beings are the bigger beings, and we're the more powerful. We're the ones that are expected to take care of. We're expected to take care of the lesser animals. Ooh, let's cut here. This one, this one. Here we go again. Cause here I go again. Wait, let me see if I measure it right. I don't want it to be too. Yeah, man, I can cut here. Am I doing it right, guys? Can you see? Yeah, I'm trying to measure the top. I'm gonna cut here. Yeah. Right here would be more. Oops. It's hard. When I try to cut two at a time, it feels hard. Ouch. There. There's one at a time I have to cut, you know. Because my hand is not as strong as the males. They can't cut as quickly as they would, right? But the point is that I'm not totally helpless. I'm not totally helpless. I can do things. It's hard work, you know. Look at me sweating. But it's fun work. It's fun work to keep your mind clear. And you're doing something creative. You're lucky. Sometimes when I'm ready, I just take up my paintbrush and start doing my painting. Those things are fun for me. I don't know about you, but I just love taking my time out and enjoying myself in doing some creative artistic work. That's just me. Yeah, and I love me. So all who don't love me, that's their problem. So you hear when some people are telling me how this one hate me and that one don't like me and this one and that one don't like me. Means that me know say them one say them don't like me too, you know. But they don't want to tell me say them don't like me too. They just put the blame for other people and say, this one don't like you, Chrissy, and that one they don't like you. You know, the little bitch, you know. Think me don't put the pieces together to realize. Say you not like me. But yeah, you want company, so you know your choice of unliking me, so you start telling me all the peoples in my life that don't like me. I didn't want to say how you know say them not like me, but me couldn't bother burst your bubbles because since some people is so much into their bubbles of telling me about all the peoples that don't like me and they enjoy themselves, they don't realize to be realize that they chat me up to the person who will talk about how the people them not like me. Must say all into the labyrinth too and it a sweet them you know. And them a ride with them to encourage them to tell them how them not like me because me this and me that. Sweetheart, I God love you. Yeah? So never you worry about who don't like you. Yeah? Me love everybody whether them want like me or not. The whole point is that I'm good. Suppose them did have to hold up your life. Suppose them did have feed you. Hmm? Could you imagine how them would have punished you because them not like you? And suffer you? Alright, so now you know. Me just say, you know what? Let me just keep my corners and do the things that I enjoy doing, whether them not like me or not. As long as I don't mind doing it. Hey, this cutting thing here. Get tight on this part, yeah? How far I reach with it? Oh, I'm almost there. I have, let me see how much notches. It's more notches I cut in the wrong row. A zigzag anyway. It's better than nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 more notches. Let's shake out my hands. Wriggle the wrist, shake out my hands. Because after this, I'm gonna finish cutting, trimming up my top because this is the top. Because I'm gonna open it back so it can be ventilated. So we can see that little cutie pie in the box as she traveled with me to a new home. Whether it's a girl or a boy, I'm not a bird specialist, so I'm not too sure if it's a bird, a girl or a boy. Somebody will have to tell me. But I just call him a him since I'm a she. I love my guys. I love my guys. Always, guys. My guys are always there helping me out when I come into Kingston. And I appreciate it, right? So I have to love my guys all the time. Because it's crazy. Sometimes when you have to do certain things on your own and it's challenging, it's good when you can call on them to come and help you, you guys. Come and help me lift this, please. Come and help me reach that, please. But the thing is, there's somebody there to do it, and I appreciate you. Okie dokes, I got it all cut off neatly. You see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? No? I'm gonna fold down the edge now. Okay, so right there is a fold. I'm gonna fold it. As I say, I'm not doing it as perfect, but something better than nothing. I'm folding here, and then I'm gonna fold here. How did I fold this? Fold this here, fold this here, fold this here. Can you see? Oh, you're not seeing it so clearly. You see me? Yeah, I'm folding here. Folding here, folding here. See? Just gonna go over to the bird cage. Turn here. Giving it a 4 corner. I don't know if I'm supposed to cut to make it fit. I'll figure it out when I get on it. I don't have the vision as to how my end product going to be properly, but I'm still working on it. Maybe it have a cut, you know. Alright, let me try put over it and look first. Wow, yeah. Is it? Ah, yeah. What did I do wrong? Advise me. What am I doing wrong? I'm trying to get it to fit on. Alright, I'm going to cut off the top part. It looks like it's holding on. It's not holding on perfectly, but it's coming on better than nothing. Crack over the edges. I was going to use the binding wire, but I got so much loose wires off of this I didn't even have to purchase the binding wire. But let me cut the box top off. We are using smaller scissors. Oh, I can't cut it off, it's hard. This scissors better. See, birdie, that's behind me. One corner, wondering what the hell, what is going on over me? I feel like I'm in an earthquake. I'm in a tree moving around so much. That light? Let's see over the other side. I'm gonna walk around in there. I'll soon show you inside. When I'm done, I show you top. I have to take off the top part. And put this here. It's a cover. Versatile, you know. Versatile. Just versatile, but then you need to get this part in. I'm gonna see. I wonder if it's supposed to be here. Don't turn over. I did it, guys. Need a nice cage for him to travel with. Start going mad because you see the place open. You hear the only noise he make? This is the travel box. Come, let me show you. I have to show my grandbaby this video of how her grandma made her travel box. You see him in there? Hi, what should we name this one? I'll name you Stony Hill. Hi, Stony. Hi, Stony. That's where you come from? That's where I found you. In the Stony Hill area. You see that? And that's, voila, new home. New home, new home. I did it, guys. Is it good? 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 Well, you see, these little things, these little activities clear our mind. And this is a good reason why y'all are expected to find things constructive to do and stop wasting your time doing unnecessary things that cause problems on the land. Take care of our animals, take care of our peoples, take care of everything. I'm gonna put the cage here. Over this. I don't want to leave it too much on the ground. What do you think? Hmm? Or it's okay. Can put it up a little high. Mm-hmm. Let me see. Eat up and poo poo. Do a lot of poo poo in there that needs cleaning. So at least I can put newspaper at the bottom of the box when I'm ready. But I'm finished setting up Birdie because that's where he's gonna stay for the next couple of days until we hit the road together. So you guys have a wonderful day now.